Hi guys, Spartan 765. Today I'm doing a range review on my custom built Winchester shotgun. This is the first time it's been fired, so we're shooting at 30 meters. I'm going to see if the scope's on right away. I'm not going to do the whole sighting in video. I'll just do the first shot video and then what it gets after it's sighted in. Okay, here goes. Just set this right here. That's pointing down there, okay. First shot is standing just to see if it works. The red dot. Okay, here we go. Let's see if it even hit the target. It would make a pretty big hole. Wow, didn't hit the target, so I gotta go closer. Well, I'll get it sighted in and then do another video. Spartan 765 out.